This now the 6 stadiums wey go host the 2023 African Cup of Nations, where 5 cities for inside Ivory Coast go host. Number 1 na the Al Hassan Ouattara Stadium wey dey for inside Abidjan, the capital of Ivory Coast. This stadium get 60,000 capacity, and na there they go play the opening match for January 13th and the finals of the AFCON for February 11th, 2024. This na the biggest stadium for Ivory Coast, and them also they call am the Olympic Stadium of Epimpe. Them build and open this stadium for 2020, and na one of the biggest stadium we get modern facilities for inside Africa. And at this stadium, the Super Eagles of Nigeria go play all them Group A matches for inside this African Cup of Nations. Now here the Super Eagles go play their opener against Equatorial Guinea. Now him they go also take face the host Ivory Coast. Now this stadium also they go take face Guinea-Bissau. Number 2 na Felix Apawet-Bayoni Stadium. This stadium also dey for inside Abidjan, the capital of Ivory Coast, and this stadium get 33,000 capacity, and dem name this stadium after the first head of state of Ivory Coast, wey name na Presido Felix Apawet-Bayoni. This stadium don host African Cup of Nations matches before for the year 1984, and they do plenty ogbonge work for this stadium to take host this current African Cup of Nations, and they can put many modern facilities for inside the stadium based on say na stadium wey don dey exist before, but they can turn am to modern stadium standard. Number 3 na Charles Konan Bani Stadium for inside Yamoussoukro. This stadium get 20,000 capacity, and dem build this stadium for the year 2021, and dem open am for June 2022. Yamoussoukro, where the stadium dey, na im be the political and administrative capital of Ivory Coast, and na here they born the first president of the country, wey name na Felix Apawet-Bayoni. Number 4 na Stade de la Paix. This stadium, they call am the Stadium of Peace. This stadium dey for Bamako, and this stadium get 40,000 capacity. This na also one of the stadiums wey don host African Cup of Nations before for the year 1984. That time when Ivory Coast host the competition also for the year 1984, but they do plenty of ogbonge work for inside this stadium, and also put modern facilities inside and make the stadium shine well to reach the FIFA and CAF standard to host the biggest football competition for Africa. Number 5 na Amadou Gon Coulibaly Stadium for Kogo. This stadium get 20,000 capacity, and this one na brand new Chabé Stadium. That one means say they build this stadium particularly for this African Cup of Nations. So this one na brand new stadium, and this stadium na im Ivory Coast people go also take remember this African Cup of Nations when they host. So and this stadium normally na stadium wey be say they build for September. They start to build am for September 2018, and they finish this stadium for September 2023. Number 6 na Laurent Pacao Stadium. This stadium dey for the coastal city of San Pedro, and this stadium get 20,000 capacity, and also na one of the new Chabé Stadium wey be say they build specially for this African Cup of Nations where Ivory Coast dey also, and they start to do the building project for September 2018, and they complete this project for September 2023. So how you see all this beautiful and ogbonge stadium where we say they host the biggest football competition for Africa, where be the AFCON, the African Cup of Nations. Tell me how you see them for the comment section, and also leave a like for this video, and if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, press that subscribe button, and I will see you for our next video. Una bye bye.